Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Zoho Books to cover or file a GSTR3B. So let's get right into it. For this, I'm using this official account or this official article on the help docs for Zoho Books, and I do recommend you check it out since I'll only be flying over it really quickly. So you do need to check it out to see any details. However, the way you file your GSTR3B is marking the previous return as file, update the ITC reversed, push transactions to GSTN, payment of taxes, record the tax paid in Zoho Books, and filing the return. To mark the previous return as file, navigate to Zoho Books and GST filing, choose the filing month under the GST summary 4, then click view summary, and then click mark as filed. For that. Then to update the ITC reversed, you need to navigate to Zoho Books, GST filing, and view summary GSTR3B. Click edit near the ITC reversed, as you can see here. Then you need to enter the details in the pop-up and click save. Then you need to push your transactions by logging into the GST portal dashboard and return dashboard, selecting the financial year, return filing policy, or return filing period, and hit search. Then you will be able to find the monthly return GSTR3B listed under it. Click prepare online and then click next. You'll need to answer some questions here in prepare online, but that shouldn't be a problem. Then navigate to Zoho Books GST filing and view summary, click push to GSTN, and then confirm your action once again by clicking push to GSTN. Then enter the one-time password, which should be sent to your number, and click verify and push. Now, for payment of taxes, you need to view tax liability by going to GST dashboard, return dashboard, select the filing period and financial year and hit search, click prepare online, and then click proceed to payment. And then generate a challan by clicking create challan to make the payment for the deficit tax amount, the tax claimable amount. Any late fees, penalty, or interest will be auto-filed with the creation page. Then select the payment mode and then click generate. Then the tax payment you do by generating the challan in the GST portal and going to Zoho Books, GST filing, monthly returns, and GSTR3B. Then going to the GST payment and pay via ICICI bank, and then or you can directly go to GST filing, GST payments, and pay by the bank, and then enter the payment date and date of the challan, then enter the CPIN, then enter the payment details, account number, IFSC from your account, or select from account, and then select a transaction type, enter the CGST, SGST, IGST, and CESS values, and then under the tax file liability sections from your challan to click proceed to pay, and then the OTP sent to your mobile number you will need to use to actually pay for it. Then that's pretty much it, and you will be paid for it. Then you can make a payment in the GST portal by viewing your tax liability and generating the challan again. You can select the payment mode, such as e-payment, over-the-counter, NEFT, and RTGS, and clicking make payment. Then you can make the payment in the GST portal and clicking continue. Navigate to section 6.1, payment of taxes, to preview your payment details, and click make payment or post credit to ledger. Click yes to offset your tax liability. Then go to the GST portal dashboard, return dashboard, select your GSTR3B, for which you're offsetting the liability. Click proceed to payment, offset your tax liability based on the steps mentioned above, and that's it. Then you record the tax paid in Zoho Books by going into Zoho Books, GST filing, GSTR3B, navigating to the GST payment and clicking record payment. Then go to GST filing, GST payments, and click record payment. Enter the payment date. This is the what do you call it? An alternative. Enter the payment date. Select the paid through account. Enter the reference number, enter the challan date and the CPIN, and then enter the details of the tax liability, such as these that I've mentioned before. Then you can record the payment, and that's pretty much it. To record a manual journal for converting the previous month's reverse charge to the current month's ITC, you can do this by logging into Zoho Books and selecting accountant from the sidebar, clicking on manual journal, clicking plus new. Then enter the date and relevant details, then enter the journal by selecting the account, reverse charge tax input but not due, and credit account and the relevant input tax, and then all of that as the debit account. Then click save. File the return by navigate to section 6.1 payment of taxes of the return. Click proceed to file. Then check the declaration box on top of the page and select authorized signatory. Then you can now file your GSTR3B return either through electronic verification codes or digital signature codes. Then once you've completed all these steps, go to Zoho Books, GST filing, and GSTR3B. Select the month for which you filed the return. Go to the filing and click mark as filed. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.